Hi guys. Hey, wanted to do a real fast update on the decals for the Lindberg B-17. I got them where they're on. Guess I gotta update the M there because the decal broke. Um, got them put down better. You guys, if you've never used it, this is actually the first time I've ever used it. Testors decal set. This is the only way that I got these decals to lay down to the rivet lines and to actually bond to the model. Um, the just doing it in the water did not put them down good enough to keep them from trying to peel up off the plane. So definitely, um, if you guys have this model kit, and that's the sad thing, I've never had to use decal set on any model I've ever used, but this is a pretty good little deal. Got it for $1.99 at Hobby Lobby. So, but yeah, just an update on the decals. If you guys are gonna build this kit and you have problems with your decals, um, trying to lift, definitely get yourself some decal set and just use a paintbrush and put it on, let it run down inside the rivet lines and everything like that, kind of flood it in there, and then just pat it dry with a paper towel or something that absorb it up, and then it goes ahead and it dries. The finish is flat, just like whatever your paint is. It doesn't have anything off of that. So anyway, thanks guys. Just want to give you a quick update there. Thanks, and we'll get this thing wrapped up soon. Thanks. Bye.